thing from Cartel fans and from morning. From New Rule take place last night. Everybody keep quiet. Wagwan. Nobody not talk about New Rule. Nobody not say anything. Cause them say show now go sell out, you know. Them say the show now go on good.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
This when him Alkaline, we sing say, him a boss every boss and him a done for every done and him a young lord and all them type of thing there. I sight up the youth there and him young artist friend them. Pan a show in a Trelawney where Alkaline make name New Rules and I a take in the show in the outer net. When I take in the show, what can I look into myself? And I say, you know, say them youth are going good. I may have to big them up. Big up yourself, Alkaline, and big up all of the young artists out there who are do good and who are.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boss Nando Night Billing with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So, we have to talk about some topic, right? So we see where New Rules came, it did what it's supposed to do, mash up a place, down a yard, all of the patrons them look like them come out and enjoy themselves. So we have to talk about some of the artists them perform, and we have to talk about also Vybz Kartel performance over in Germany, and you know a Bounty Killer show also. Can you remember? Saturday was an historical day. A lot of shows went on and a lot of dancehall superstars performed at different venues. You know, we have the New York, we have the Germany, we have the Jamaica, New Rules. So, the show, New Rules, did its thing. And boy, I have to say, after watching the show, I enjoyed it. I have to say I enjoyed it. Only know, I have to give my own opinions on everything what go on, when I say go on. You know the show steal of the night, Alkaline, you know a film show, so he had to steal the show. And we see where the fans them really came out to see Alkaline. Because after all of the artists them perform and did their very best, after watching the show, I realized that everybody with the other show there really came out to see Alkaline. You know Alkaline New Rules. Because every phone light was on as Alkaline was about to come on the stage. And all the other artists, them do them best, them do what them for do. Them get looking phone light here and there, but you know, everybody that save them battery and them storage for Alkaline's performance. But me watch some clippings of the show and me I said, Jano, hey, dancehall a really war about sport, you know. Cause we see where Armani went on New Rules and this up Valiant and this up DJ Mac and this up Walk and Talk. And you know that a trend in the media right you know. A lot of dancehall, as I say, viewers and subscribers. New Rules get heated at some point, you know, because we see where a lot of artists start flare up on the show. We see Armani, we see Briscoe, we see Intense. I run a look program at one point. I say, yo, it make film top 5 and some people have a problem with it, or some man have a problem with it. And when some other man make for them top 5, nobody don't have a problem with it. So, Intense burn a piece of fire, say, and he might almost say suck no matter, but he might get into it and never do it. But even Tifa burn a fire for New Rules and say, you see, New Rules platform should grateful for it because the New Rules promotion team or the promoters them put the artists them where the industry underrated pan the show for perform. And as me say, yeah, she right with what she said because every artist will upon new rules except Alkaline, because them can't underrate Alkaline now. Alkaline a superstar. So them underrate every artist, as what Tifa said, but every artist came out and did them best. Because currently we see right now, Silk Boss I get a little highlight because of the new rules performance. Because everybody has said a new rule, a Silk Boss take it. But you know, everybody have them own opinions. Everybody has said Silk Boss should have been there in a dancehall and dominate, but you know, because of the industry and rare. So, New Rules did it thing, and as I said, viewers and subscribers, it was an amazing show. While watching the show, I felt like I was there, but you know, I watch it over live. But I felt like I was at the venue. New Rules go on with a piece of thing there. The vibe did turn up. The energy was there. Never disappointed, none tall. Yeah, man, of course, none tall. New Rules go on with the thing. So, we see where Vybz Kartel. We could jump in that Vybz Kartel thing though. We see where Vybz Kartel perform at Germany. And we saw some highlights of the Germany performance. Few good highlights, but there are some highlights there where people are cover them ears. People are cock up them ears because Vybz Kartel voice was cracking. And I know when I run in the comment section, especially Gaza fans them, I try to bash the thing or I try to sugarcoat the thing. But it is evident, and not even one highlight we see where Vybz Kartel voice was horrible. Couple highlights we see, I know one, as me say. Vybz Kartel came on, yo, listen, this I think. Vybz Kartel need to stop the drinking and the smoking, because watch this, viewers and subscribers. Me as a vlogger, me vlog almost every day, and trust me, some of the time, my voice get hoarse up because of me talking every day or whatever, every day. Sometimes, me I listen music, and me I vibes to the music, and me I sing the music myself. So, the next day after my voice will get hoarse. But you see, Vybz Kartel, this man out here doing these shows back to back, and this man voice is cracking. But yet still, nobody no want to talk about it. And I notice, I drive. I notice them no want to hide it. Not them no want to hide it. I notice them hide it. If it was another artist, them wouldn't hide it. Them wouldn't sugarcoat it. Them would highlight the fact that the artist them I feel are them was them other poor performance. Nobody can tell me. If it was Alkaline or some other artist, they would run with the videos. They would say that, yeah man, him can't perform, man, him a shit, rare. You remember just like how them deal with Alkaline interview, say yo, Alkaline was garbage and it was the worst performance. But you don't see nobody come out and say Vybz Kartel performance was shit or it was the worst performance. Them not do that. Because Vybz Kartel is the plant in a dancehall. Vybz Kartel is the baby to pamper in a dancehall. Nobody now really what you call it, highlight the facts of Vybz Kartel. You know? Do what him do. I see one video with somebody I say, I mean I drop it in another vlog, you know. I see one video with a girl say, where after listening to Vybz Kartel for every years, and then when she go see him for perform, reality it's different. Now she's saying that reality it's different because she never the performance what she did expect. Now we know that Vybz Kartel can't perform and he couldn't perform for a longer time, even before him got prison. So now that him come out of prison and I do him thing, it is not what people have to expect, because people have high expectations for people and not knowing say you're going to leave disappointed, because time and time again Vybz Kartel leave patrons disappointed with his performance. But here and there have few little good up-tempo performance vibe there. But that viewers and subscribe. But you know, the whole thing over the weekend go on, I'm not telling you, it was an amazing thing. And you know, prior to the weekend, you know, say Beanie Man, Shensia, TJ, the whole of them do them thing over Germany. And the whole of them perform with bands. So what What is stopping Vybz Kartel from performing with a bands? Viewers and subscribers, leave that in the comment section, make me know. What is stopping Vybz Kartel from using a bands? Is he scared of using a bands? Or he can't work a bands because he more half key and all that stuff? We see all of the artists them up there where you can say not big like Vybz Kartel, but them are dominate. The TJ, the Shensia, the B, the man who perform with the bands, but Vybz Kartel, the superstar when them say the king of dancehall, cannot perform with the bands. Him cannot perform with the bands. No. Me I wonder what them are going to say now about Alkaline, because all them have to come out and say, yo, you have some people come out and say I flop. The concert flop, New Road concert flop, Alkaline performance flop. But you know you can't really watch haters them. Them are just some people that try look some clothes for people run up in them comment section. You know, for build up them views and bring them up in a certain algorithm, because that is what them do. That is what them do. Alkaline name traffic's attention, so them all do that. But Alkaline performance was superb. It was a superb performance. Him put on a piece of show there. And after watching some of the clippings in the crowd of some of the other patrons, you can see say them enjoy themselves. Them a vibe, them a move, them a wave, them and them a do everything. You know, them come out to see them artists. Them come out to see the superstar, Alkaline. Because, boy, when... me no remember where the DJ name. Them MC. I don't remember what the MC name, but the MC also, me have to give him props for where him do. The MC come out and delivered also, because when him introduce Alkaline, blood cleat, shivers. Because listen, I am watching the live, but shivers when the man introduce Alkaline. Me I say, yo, John, oh, youth, that whole vibe. Yeah. And listen, it was the longest introduction, but the best introduction ever, because when the man introduced Alkaline, Jano, viewers and subscribers, the fans them on high alert, the fans them on high alert, them are real, them are go on. And when the man say, "Oosh," everybody lift up, the crowd lift up, and just like that, Alkaline say, "Yo, yo, yo, Bumbuckly," the crowd lift up again. The crowd was moved. This was like an introduction to a Michael Jackson or a Bob Marley, because the energy, people come like them all are fainting in the crowd after me watching the videos. Also videos on the social media, because I buy the stream, you know, I buy the live stream and I watch it completely right through. You see me? So, me, whole a vibe, I enjoy the show. And trust me, that show ya have me going back to it when I not do nothing for watch it. I always go back to the show. And one thing about the show, the whole show, the entrance of the show, wicked entrance of the show. So, you know, nobody can really talk and try to downplay the thing, even though they are going to do that. But they can't try to downplay Alkaline's, you know, movement, Alkaline's impact. Even the mad thing slogan, the mad thing talk right now, I run the place. Mad thing. Hey, when the MC say mad thing, you know, Jano, the crowd lift up. The crowd go on with themselves, man. The show was a success. No lie. So, on the other side though, the Bounty Killer show in the United States, that also go on with itself, because it was sold out. You know, the show packed. Whole heap of people turn out for the Warlord. But all of the artists them do them thing on the show now. But what me not understand, Gully God can't sing out him song them. Gully God, him can't sing out him songs them. That me really want to know. Gully God, for years, Gully God a perform, and him always a dash song. Why him not try to sing? I see where Vybz Kartel even a perform even better by singing out most of him songs them. Even though him voice a crack. But we see where him a do even better. Gully God. Why Gully God can't sing out most of him song them? I be a dash. Him doing thing last night and I'm not telling a line about. Most of the time, I be a dash. Be a next. Him not sing out majority of lyrics. I don't do him best. I don't, not say him doing best, but I don't know was the person who did have to open the mother and the Massacre, because I do not went before Massacre, then Mavado and so forth. So I do not did have to really lift up the crowd a certain way so the vibe can get up there before the other artists them come on, because you can't lukewarm the crowd and then the other artists struggle to lift it up because the artist lukewarm it before him. So I do not come on, him do him thing, him lift up the crowd, him move the crowd. Massacre come on, him do him look at thing. You know how Massacre perform already. Massacre performance, he not up there, but he might do him thing. Massacre come on for probably about 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Or probably less than 20 minutes. But Massacre appear girl to be appear gunman tune. Massacre came on and perform. Till me I'll see one girl in our video talk and say, yo, the artists them come on for New York show over Barclays. Why them always have to come? Why them have to come on and sing Be a Bad Man tune? Is it because of Warlord show? None of them not sing a girl tune except I don't sing girl tune because them sing girl tune in them segment. But the rest of the artists them I be a bad man tune them a sing. Them not sing the type of girl tune. And remember, the girls them support the artists them the most. You see thugs them not do not much for the artists them. Them coming at the party. I'm seeing a New Rules concert also. The girls them a enjoy, them a support, them a go on the most in at the party. People, girl want faint and all of this thing. But the thugs them coming at the party, them stand up and go on and tough up them face and go on like say, yo, somebody do them something. But them coming at the party, the dancehall party, you know, on a whole, you know. The man them need for coming at the party, come enjoy the party and enjoy them money well spent. Then come in a party, tough up them face, stand up in a one corner and barely a move like say them a statue or them a mannequin. Me not understand that. Viewers and subscribers, make me know in the comment section what you think. A party we for go enjoy, because the difference is with outside party, you know, the world party them like we sit in a Germany and culture and all of them places there, you know. The people them come enjoy themselves and have fun, you know. A Jamaican audience alone must see come in a party and stand up like them a statue. Pay this hefty money to come see certain artists, but yet still them come in a party, come stand up like statue. Make it make sense. Me not understand that. Viewers and subscribers. Me I got a party, me I enjoy myself. But here it is what it is. Whatever. But the party them were going over a weekend, viewers and subscribers. Me not lie. I can't have nothing bad to say about them. The New Rules go on. The Bounty Killer concert go on. The Summer Jam also go on. It's just that, you know, few look at highlights with Vybz Kartel. And we know say it is something that it is viewable. Nobody, we can't shun away from it for say, yo, it is not evident or not something we know about. We know about Vybz Kartel, Vice hosting and Vice cracking and all of them things from when him come out of jail. So we have to see with him on a certain level, same way. But you know, it is what it is. Gaza fans, them a sugarcoat everything. I make it look like the Vybz Kartel can perform, or Vybz Kartel is the best performer in dancehall, which he is not. And it shows in Germany. It is called exposing, you know. It shows in Germany because when the people in my video Vybz Kartel, even the caption on the video said WTF, meaning what the F. So we can't hide away from it, but we not really dwell upon that. But as I say, everybody do them thing, come out, come enjoy themselves. All I shows them, go on good. Dancehall up on a big rise right now. But big up to Alkaline for keeping his shows. That's what I want to say. Big up to Alkaline for keeping his shows, because watch this. Watch this, enough viewers and subscribers. You see all of them big superstars, big artists here. Remember, the whole of them are tech bookings. None of them not keep them own show. Like literally come out of them pocket and keep them own show. We see where I don't keep him own show. I don't know if him team up with a promotion team or promoters, but you know him keep him 20th anniversary and so forth. But remember, all of them artists are when them just bust out like Alkaline, none of them never keep them own show. And remember, New Rules is on a rise. New Rules Festival has been going on for years. It's been going on for years and it has been having a successful turnout. So big up to the man himself for doing what he do in a dancehall, because watch this again, viewers and subscribers. He's the youngest veteran. He's the youngest lord. He's the youngest legend in a dancehall. Brother, Alkaline is up there with all of them artists here where you see a dominate and a do them thing. All of them dinosaur, yeah, I would say, or all of them legend, yeah. Alkaline name in the mix with all of them. So then can't hide away the youth success. Then can't pretend like say it is not something or to talk about. Alkaline is there, ma do him thing. So big up to Alkaline and way ma do the youth I do it out here. Even when them continuously doubt him continuously approve them wrong. Because after the people them shun him and bash him about him interview, are the same people them come out and enjoy themselves, and enjoy him shows. So you know, say the interview not really make no sense, it not really matter to people. It was just a few day talk and then gone back to enjoying the artist music or enjoying the artist show. So it is just talking point for people and people to get traction and clout, because once there is a viral moment or a viral topic, everyone was or everyone is going to speak on it. Because we see Irish Chin come out, we see a whole heap of people come out, we see 2 lakhs come out and talk and I say, yo, rare, worst interview, da. But it is what it is. Alkaline went viral again. Alkaline stir up the whole Jamaica space again. And you know, the brother impactful on the dancehall culture, because time and time again, people have spread narrative about fall off. But the artists come out here, approve them wrong. I never see a fall off artist story and create havoc in the dancehall space and in the Jamaican culture. So it is what it is. People are going to talk and say what they must say. But Alkaline came out, did his thing. Wonderful performance from every artist. Also, you know, the man himself do himself. Also, Armani do him thing. Silk Boss do him thing. Intense do him thing. Munga do him thing. Tifa do her thing also. You know, every artist do them thing. We see Briscoe come out and a cuss and a while up himself. Briscoe, hear me I go say Briscoe. Calm down. Ease yourself. Put in the work. Do the music. The bag of bad man image and go out like you're the baddest thing and you're a bad man, you have a gun and you shot a man and rare. Easy, brother. That dancehall is not for that. Back then it was, when you know the Super Cat and the Ninja Man, they talk about them gun and rare. But currently, dancehall is not for that. So, easy yourself, because your career gone round at one part, you know. Just be grateful, say Alkaline and them team put up on a big platform. And just go on, put in your work, because I work alone, I go speak for itself. But viewers and subscribers, make me know what you think. Share your thoughts in the comment section. You know already, man. A Vibes and Insight with Nando with another episode, another banging vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. You know it, go already, man. A mad thing. I'm out. Peace.
I don't hear anything from Kartel fans and from morning. From New Rule take place last night. Everybody keep quiet. Wagwan. Nobody not talk about New Rule. Or nobody now say anything. Because them say show now go sell out, you know. Them say the show now go on good. And even Killer show go on over the state. And New Rule still shelled up. And the Kartel fan them asleep. They no wake yet. What go on? Wake up the man. One have to say no. Vendetta the boss, man. The biggest man in the island. No joke.